Welcome to the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Anywhere where you're inside of Nigeria, if you watch the Ogbonge Politics Discussion Show, As E Dey Hot, where we say every weekday from 10 to 11 we go carry all the action to the way they come and smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. Drop them, discuss the matter, open everything, give you license to chook mouth inside and talk and do anything be you for body, so that those who the leaders go do it in here world, do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name now Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu I stay concerning politics matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, and for our viewers who they watch us for Go TV channel 98, and them also if they watch us online, www.wazobiatv.tv/live, and the program now As E Dey Hot, that political program where they sunch. They informate now different political activities that happen for Nigeria. Today on, we go back to a particular issue where we say a call for concern. Now, something we say, we as Nigerians, they even get a feel of it because if we not address this matter based on the fact, say, these same people they talk about, or what talk about, now people will say, they be our people, they are an integral part of the system. And if we're going to say we treat them differently, or to say one or two maybe casualty happen for their place, we meet them, come out from their place, where they can't end up somewhere, you no go good at all. That's why we need to address the issue of IDP, that is IDP people, this thing, internally displaced people's camp. We'll go talk about what we'll go talk about today. We'll also open our phone and where that time reach, so that at least our viewers go feed waiting, go feed also call and also contribute. My name has to change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
We'll not go waste time. We'll go straight into the topic we'll carry on. But before we begin to discuss the internally displaced people's condition, we'll go discuss one when we say one sad news will come out inside of Nigeria yesterday. Former Minister of Transport and also former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Oga Ojo Mbila Madueke, he don't go join in ancestors them based on say they talk say he arrived Nigeria from outside this country in the hail and hearty as he arrived for the Nnamdi Azikiwe wing of the international airport. As he come, he can't talk saying get breathing problem. They can't try rush and go the airport clinic from there. They can't go Turkish hospital when they for inside Abuja, but he no survive. He just give up the ghost. And this is a person when we say some people they describe him as statesman based on his contribution, based on the capacity when he served as ministers for two different positions. But it go good make we also explain like we always they talk say no matter the position when you dey, even if it's small like class captain or a big like president, after you do your own time for earth here when be like market, you go house go answer a question to Baba God. So it go good make people live well, because when you don't go, now only two things go remain: the good things when you do, or the bad things when people go put for inside the dustbin of history. So we dey talk say make Oga Ojo Madueke make him rest in peace, and make we when we dey alive make we learn from the lesson say every opportunity when we get to contribute our quota to nation building and national development, make we see what we fit do. From that one we go enter the condition of the internally displaced people when they inside Obodo Nigeria. E get one shocking report when come out say for sub-Saharan Africa, out of the 21 million plus internally displaced people, say Nigeria they account for 3.3 million. Now will be the highest for sub-Saharan Africa. In fact, now we they carry toll for the whole world after Syria and Colombia. Those ones get 6.7 and 5.6 respectively. Nigeria get 3.3. People gonna come and come and talk say if we look the condition of internally displaced people inside our country, we know if we compare them to Colombia or Syria, when we say for several years they don't fight war. Our own are based on some kind of internal strife when happen where people can't leave their communities. But what exactly we they do? You get people that they call Doctors Without Borders. Last week they released some kind of pictures them of our internally displaced people when they inside camp, and they come out with something when they shocking. Say 24,000 of these people then they're in serious need of health care, and if they don't do anything about them, say they go buy. They also come out with one very shocking report say over 20 people they die every day for internally displaced people's camps. If you do the maths, now 140 every week, 140 times 4, now very shocking number. We call the ask say these internally displaced people now God hand and they have been at the hand of our society. We go drop this discussion. You self go call in to discuss the matter as E Dey hot.
Well, Chukwudi, don't table the matter the way it's supposed to table, and Mr. Oga President himself don't also react to this, and when he hear about this particular report, when he can't come out, they talk, say, according to the way they take describe, I say the man para, say he vex, can't call a quick meeting for that is for Borno State, where he be like saying that there be the major this thing. Can't they para say why they go allow the situation enter the way he don't enter, and with an immediate effect, the Minister of Health as well can't do it, can't send your own people, can't say make them go that place, go also check, know the state of these people. But then the two things where they involve, they make we rightly state that. One thing is make Oga President do it in para, and another thing is make you send people make them go check out the place. In the end, by the time all these things play out, waiting go be the major thing, waiting go be the result of the whole thing. Now be the question who they ask, because if in the end we see all this surface attention, we see all this surface addressing, I will not enter into the root matter of this particular issue, address and find lasting solution to that, because in the end, these people they talk about, just as I talked earlier, these are Nigerians living in their own country. Nobody say they come from another country because they treat them the way they treat them. But these are Nigerians who be saying now because of one crisis where it happened for their community, that's why they ended up the way they end up. And what would they do about them? Why would we just allow them to die? Why would they treat them as second-class citizens? Even for some countries, second-class citizens even far they better off than the conditions where these people dey. Conditions where we say good health, they don't provide for them. Better food, they don't provide for them. Security, they for them, and all these things. And even the shelter, if you consider the place where they stay, how convenient this place be? How that is. It's not a proper shelter, then they on that. These are things where we say we also need to look. Because in the end, the question we say, we not go on take our own hands, spoil something we say, we go later, they hunt us later. That now for our responsibility to do it, to address the matter and find solution to them. At least that is just what it requires.
I like all these questions when you just come there, come they ask. But my question to all this your litany of questions now say, who will go direct this question to? You come here and say, Shena say. When the APC, this particular APC-led federal government, they go internally displaced people camp, they go the campaign, say, oh, women, we understand your plight, because the worst hit of these places, we know the party when they rule that time. Hey, we know your plight. Allow me to learn now. I don't cut you when you talk now. I don't cut you when you talk.
Internally displaced camp don't they even in the last administration?
For the past 1 year, what did they don't do about the situation?
It is
the last administration, we hear say 24,000 people, they need health care.
No, they make
this
thing a
party. 30 people
no, they make this thing a party thing.
Who make a party thing before election?
Make we address
Who make a party thing before election?
Make we address the key problem. No, they bring
Senator Oluremi Tinubu, wife of the APC national leader, last year, for the floor of the House of Senate, she almost shed tears. What did she talk? She talk say her own party.
Say the promises wey dem make, say dem dey see the result.
Our own party make promises, they know they fulfill am. And you come here, come tell me say, why they make a party?
Chukwudi,
when she accuse her own party, a serving senator from Plateau State accuse her own party.
We have a problem on ground, and the government in place are not addressing
Nkubi,
it.
you are beautifying the question.
Now what do they try?
You are beautifying the question.
Beautifying what question?
See the question when they are on screen. Internally displaced persons. Now God hand them there. We get government when law control to do everything when they want to. Why never do it?
Young man.
You are telling me that we should not make it a party.
Please.
When the party talk say they get everything to use improve the condition of internally displaced people, you can't come here. Address the question. Nigerians will finish you today. Nigerians will finish you.
Of all things, I don't want you. I don't want you for the past 1 year.
Pastor.
For the past 1 year,
you care about internally displaced people. Waiting they have food. Who they give them food? See the pictures when they release. 24,000 people will be like skeleton. Are you there and they talk? Which field? What do they feel?
What do they feel? I don't know the condition
when they come here, they bring voice down. Raise your voice for your people.
Raise your voice for us.
Don't raise voice for your people.
You could don't sideline yourself away from this issue. Make we talk collectively. No, tell me say because of my party, may I face the problem alone. As if this people are Nigerians.
Who they control federal government?
No be safe.
Who they control federal government?
Not be president.
Who they control federal government?
President.
Which party he come from?
It no matter.
Who promised to improve the condition of women and children?
It no matter. Leave party affiliation to this.
Nkubi,
make we address the key problem.
The first way when we go take fit accept say we go fit correct this thing, and to come and talk say we don't make mistake, and to accept that you have made a mistake, you have to come out and say that the promises when you made before election to use deceive people to vote for you, say you don't make mistake.
Make I accept say I don't make mistake even while the government is still in place.
Wait till which rubbish you
No.
Make you accept they don't make mistake.
The government is barely a year.
The first went is barely a year. And 24,000 people.
Hold on.
24,000.
And that is why the key problems with the face now. Make they present them.
If let me say we don't be showing pictures. If you see people be like anger.
We see
anger.
Me I see him. I don't see him.
And you are here talking this thing.
I don't see him.
We don't, and they have a governor. And we have a president. We have set up committees. We setting up committee. We people. We shall.
Please.
What have you people done?
Please.
And you are coming to television to tell Nigerians that it's less than a year. It's less than a year. People, 20 people they die every day. Seven days a week.
Chukwudi.
7 times 20. 140. 140 times 4. Do the mathematics. I must do the mathematics. 140 times 4. 4 times 0. 4 times 4. 16. Rice carry 1. 4 times 1 4. 560 people every month. 560 times 12. I will do the mathematics. Leave me alone. 2 times 0. 2 times 6 12. Right 2 carry 1. 2 times 5 10 plus 1 11. 1 times 0. 1 times 6 6. 1 times 5 5.
Please. I know the figure.
5,720 people would have died in 1 year in internally displaced camp. Do it over 4 years. Until 2019 when we say this government will be like say we don't know where they go. We go vote them out.
Chukwudi, when I started this,
don't call my name if you want to address
I presented,
I'm passionate about this country. I'm a human rights activist.
I present this matter on the ground. Say yes. Say the government is trying to address it.
He's trying.
The government is not even doing it.
How can you come and be telling us the government is trying?
Hear me.
Can you try to say people that are dying?
Well.
Trying.
I come out here to say the government is trying on it. It is obvious the government is not doing anything about it. Now there is right off, and the government now just lip services they pay to all
when be the campaign when they be the campaign last year. What do you talk?
Please.
What do you be please?
Hey, don't do it.
What do you be please?
Please.
Now the governor they come and they tell the president he dey para. You come and they say he dey para paradise.
He don't do you.
He dey para.
He don't do you.
Chukwudi. Parabulate.
We not pray for this condition tomorrow.
Paragraph.
Because if we say for this condition, you know go good for you and I.
The one we don't see today, what we don't do?
That is why. That is why I'm speaking for the people in that condition today.
You don't know why you there here.
Make Nigerians dey here.
You don't know why you there here. You don't know why you there here.
Why you go tell us
because people like say you dey support, you dey hide waiting bad. I'm telling you that people are dying.
I want to look situation like this. They talk say I dey support it they bad.
5,720 people. If we continue with the figures when these people don't give up, doctors without borders. I don't. Okay. No, because you una sabi how to promise, una sabi how to dey whine people to okay, you don't collect the vote. Do wetin dey right. You are coming here to tell me this. You think the president na local government chairman? Do what is right. Declare an emergency in that sector. People are dying every day. See pictures of they see. He pay me say we no even fit open newspaper for here now.
Hey, carry on the paper. The five pictures. Make sure say you find those pictures, oh. Because I think they talk about issues and say it very easy to say. I admit say yes. The government don't do it about that. You got to carry on. No, if you carry matter for head. As if I don't care what if you carry matter. Find out for that people. Find out for that people. I think it's something they even pay me self.
Which matter if you carry any matter join this your head, you know what will happen to you. Hey. So they come here, they say they carry matter for head. Which matter they carry for head? You fit talk say something they pay you for mind. No, they talk say they carry matter for head. Which head you want use carry matter? Collect your newspaper, no come here, come do this. No turn out to fight. I just make.
No, you said something. What do you mean not turn out to fight? He say if I carry problem, put on top of this my head. So indirectly, what you're telling me is I have a big head. You've said it.
I know.
Your body language, your tone, the way you said it, it is clear that that's what you're trying to refer to.
Nkubi, this
I have a big head.
This verse is the verse for me. Verse for people. For people who don't do their work.
I don't like the verse. And the verse continues, but a piece of the verse I will throw to you for insulting me, and I will not take that from you.
You see?
We can talk that.
Am I the one? Am I the one holding the store to the food for internally displaced people?
Why not go ask people where they steal, where they carry vehicle, come kidnap the food, carry waka?
What in the government they do? Thank you. Answer the question.
They capture the person they capture.
They capture the person when they capture.
The issue is Chukwudi.
Can you see?
There are a lot of.
This is the same person when come and tell us say Fulani S-men, pipeline, strike, pipeline, 18,000 minimum wage, pipeline, tomato, pipeline, Boko Haram, pipeline, everything pipeline. Now you are coming to television to tell Nigerians they capture who they won't capture. Look at you.
If this say could bring accumulated problems, so challenges, we get. Accepted. But
accumulated problem.
But make we address this particular matter.
Begin the address am.
No, they bring in
begin the address am.
They bring in power sector. They bring this into. This is an issue.
Begin the address am.
Make we take am bit by bit. Make we take am bit by bit.
Begin the point. Begin the address am. You want to take it bit by bit. You never saw internally displaced people when they see. Give them food, better food, balanced diet, carbohydrate, protein, mineral salt, vitamin, water. Una don't give them. And you there, they come here, they tell me say, if it's power, leave power. What do una fit solve? Which problem una fit solve?
You don't do it. Make we open our phone lines.
Why you don't go open phone line to escape?
No, be
open phone line to escape.
Make we open our phone line so our callers go pick up.
Our president, they para.
Wait,
you open mouth say, he they para.
Chukwudi, please.
Before go.
Hold on.
Before go, are you not the president? Is he not the president? He dey para. Nkubi, if like say, I know people who are famous for primary school. It's very, very clear.
Me.
Because if you are a lover of mathematics, this calculation when I calculate, you like to come down. If you don't come down,
I tell you they are aware of the figure.
Over 20 people every day.
Not even specified to over 20. We don't know the figure.
Maybe we peg them at 20.
Okay.
Because if I say 50 here now,
times,
if I say 50, I show you if I say 50, if I calculate that, more Nigerians will finish.
20 times 7 is 140.
140.
Then come with
140 times 4.
We know what it be.
That one when it be times 12.
He don't do.
He don't do. He don't do.
We understand his plight.
We
understand the condition. And that is why we have tabled the condition before our viewers and before our government to their place. Please.
OZ from Wari.
Please.
It's already 1-0 like this. OZ.
I don't have to take this program where you can't choose them around, can't they turn to me. I think I'm coming the crime.
Let's make a call. Are you buying credit for
OZ, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, OZ.
Good morning.
Yes, we hear you.
Make una bring your mind down first now.
And now what can I start up with you? What this young man here call they take a partner?
Hello.
We hear your go, Z. Continue.
Okay. My brother, Sona, good morning.
Good morning.
Make the cool temper first. Okay. All of us might get in Nigeria.
Okay.
Nkubi, I feel you. Chukwudi, I feel you. But Chukwudi, I deal with you. The truth is this. Make we know even if we try to be patriotic Nigerians, it is hard us because we see clearly. IDPs, see, whether na APC government or government.
Yes.
Issue, they have failed.
Yes.
Don't use their hand cause their belly for this case. I only wish make our top leaders actually watch this program, or maybe they get their PAs to the watch. If they can, or if they do, then they'll understand where they come from as a people. Maybe they're busy this kind of morning time, some never wake or who don't wake up on one side. But if they get chance, follow this program the way we Nigerians, they make up time, even inside the office and make sure it's 10 o'clock. This is the way we can connect as a people. If they follow up, they go wise. But as a government, my stand, come sun, come rain, as of today when we did so, they have failed. Not I want to talk and go again. Good morning,
Ogoze, thank you very much. We also admitted to the fact, yes, the government never address this issue.
He don't talk. Why they repeat what he not talk? What he talk, they clear. What he talk, they clear.
The same way I said when the program starts.
Oga, go from Abuja. Wait.
The same way I said when the program starts.
Will you wait?
Just time, don't raise your fingers at me.
Oga, go from Abuja.
Oga, good morning.
Oga Chukwudi, I greet you.
Oga, I dey greet you. I don't happy.
You don't do you.
Just take it easy with Nkubi. The fire too much for the studio.
You know too much anything.
Oga Chukwudi, you see, even every day you go church, you speak the truth, you see the mind of the people. Nkubi has been controversial and has been the worship government for the right of time.
Worship.
You know what I go say? This IDP there, these IDP camps don't turn to gate of collecting money from the government. So people they enrich their pockets for that IDP's camp. See, they tell us say they don't capture all the time. We Boko Haram don't take over before they don't capture them. That's what they talk. Yes. Now, what you say the government of Borno State, to build the place now for 1 year. Build the place. The committee will say Boko Haram destroy. We know that it will take time. If for 1 year, if they have to build that, if the government don't release money, if the governor of the state don't start to work, cannot put money join, may they build all the community, they don't scatter. We return these people back to the may they go back to the normal things they do before. Some of them they do farming, so they do cows, let them go back to this thing. Make IDP, because you cannot they do IDP from your own country. May they return them back to where they did. The government don't want. They did there, they sit down, He tell us to read from heaven ahead. They lie for us. Why some people they put money for their pocket, they carry rice for pocket, carry because I don't know now. They carry rice, carry this all they want carry good. That one not go pay work. The government not fit deceive us. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very, very much.
For
just like what you and Oga say don't talk. It's very, very clear.
For this wonderful
it's very, very clear. Because people like this, some people don't know why they elect them. Some people don't know why they elect them. You dey government, you think the names of noisemaker. Now you say make you dey write. You are in government. Do you think it's names of noisemaker you are writing, or you are there writing people that dance cultural dance?
Government is a collective thing.
It's a collective way.
It's a collective. It involves me, you and I.
It involves you and I.
They try to assist and sideline.
It involves you and I. If it involves you and I. Now it involves you and I.
No, you don't involve you and I before.
It involves you and I.
You don't do you.
Oga Pius, hey, use your pious mind, fire this man.
Use your own pious mind to fire him as well.
Nkubi and Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Pius.
My brother, in fact, you mean self, don't tire to call on because the thing self don't tire us now.
Oga Pius, no tire to call us, I beg.
It's even worse every day. For me, for my own suggestion, what thing I want to suggest, all this contract where I see the people with the government, I see they chop their money. And for like say, they didn't check anybody who never enter government, whether I cancel or anything. Give them this one, when they give this, you go reach them hands, because this one, they don't start to chop money for this. So what will happen for Niger Delta where rain, water cover everywhere? They give them money to go share. But for some people now, Indomie then get one sachet. And I say those government people, this government, it go there worse and worse because they say corruption. Because I see those people hold this contract, they go give this food. But when I watch this thing yesterday, my brother, I cry. See people, somebody where they chop the money where they. I need to, my brother, what thing I got advice, make they don't give anybody with the government, anybody, I say from councillor. Because now then they switch up this morning. Because he wants to spread certain. Then yesterday when I watch them, I don't see it. Because I see one small boy, he don't die. Now somebody born out, there's somebody there for Abuja, they share their money, they give. President himself, no, they don't wait, they select to go give this. But this government is the day worse and worse every day. Wait till they complain.
Oga Pius, thank you very much for your important contribution.
Oga Pius, thank you very much.
Your voice take shake. I know say the thing touch you well. Oga okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Oga okay, good morning and welcome to AS E DEY HOT. Make it 4-0.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
They greet you, Oga okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
If they greet you, answer now.
I don't answer now. What's your problem?
Mr. Nkubi, you know the quarry now.
Now it's Satamo.
How are they?
They fine.
Okay, make a contribute more.
Okay.
You never to say where this new government enter. I remember when we host Oga Lai Mohammed for that studio. High open mouth, they tell us how everything will work out for Nigeria. Even me, believe and say, before this man go they talk like this in live television program.
A lot of things don't map out how
they will take handle everything, let things work out. But to my greatest surprise, this party don't fail us woefully. I mean, they don't fail us. Number one, why be safe for Nigeria? Even when person die, they go use them, they make money. Instead of coming out to help out, to bring out more things, to make Nigeria a better place. That IDP camp now, they don't turn into office. Even the small one where they're from backyard, they sell them out. What they watch show, what they hear our bad results. That is why they count us fantastic, corrupt people. And you and I, President, say yes, he's speaking the truth. What is watching us? Let those people, those people where they dear. Me, as I'm talking to you, I'm not corrupt. May they show say, no be all Nigerians, they're corrupt.
Very, very true. Okay,
they paint our name black and white.
Very true. Yes. Okay, this one where you don't talk now. Much. A very, very important one. But quickly, we go rush enter inside break. When we go this break, come back, we'll see they collect calls. And I sure say, plenty people waiting for us, their mind they boil as to get to do with this particular issue. Now, Nkubi then go receive all this when they come back. Can you hear what Nigerians are telling you? To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.